Question 4, Native Americans. Actually, I really don't have much experience with the Native American culture. I have, of course, done nerd culture. I've done African American culture there at Inner City School in Chicago. And, of course, Hispanic Latin American culture there at Lincoln. Again, I think it all boils down to respect. You have to respect where a student is coming from, and that certainly includes their culture. They need to respect me, I need to respect them. I'm very open to culture. I need to be aware of how that will affect my style of teaching and their style of learning. I need to incorporate it into the lessons, enhance the relevancy of whatever I happen to be teaching. And of course I'll have to lean on my colleagues and the faculty to maybe point out some reading, give me some helpful hints, things like that. And I look forward to the opportunity to do that. Student assistant team. That's kind of new to me. I really haven't taught full-time since 2008. It seems to me that what we're looking at is a committee that's kind of a gatekeeper. You have a three-tier system. I really like the idea of early intervention, both for difficult students and for gifted students. Gifted students, sometimes they get the short end of the stick. People figure, you know, they're going to do okay no matter what. But I think that we deserve to give them resources and our help just as much as anyone else. Again, this tier system of yours, most of what I would be teaching, I assume I'd be doing mostly tier 1. That's 80% of the population as a rule. I would maybe get a chance to serve on such a committee, looking at whether we need to move a student up to tier 2. I understand that we are talking about intensity, maybe change in the delivery system for education for a tier 2 student, aiming either just changing the approach within the classroom, maybe adding in some resources. I know that we're looking at a committee involving the parent, the teacher, usually a facilitator, maybe someone from the administration, maybe a specialist. So to address that problem, be it academic, in which case there are many things that can be done, or behavioral, where maybe students have a difficulty that can be addressed. And then of course there is the possibility of moving a student into your tier 3. This is indeed more intense, sometimes involves a separate environment, greater resources, possibly even the 504 section as to whether this is a student that needs special personnel and special help. So those are all things, identification, adjustments that can be made, pay attention to IEP, talk to counselors. So that's as close as I can come to what question 5, how about the student assistant team goes. Thank you very much.